First thing you want to do is to get the chords before you learn to play the vamping or the rhythm. You want to know the chords, and to do that, play the song slow like a worship song, right? This is the day of joy, the day of joy, the day of joy. This is the day of joy, the day of joy that the Lord has made. So what chords did I play? Do, this is the day of fire, the day of do, the day of sol. Back to do, this is the day of fire, the day of re, and the sol and do. Wasn't that easy? Because this is the do chord, this is the fa chord or the F chord. Back to the do chord, then to the sol chord or the G major chord. Back to the do chord, back to the fa chord, then to the re chord, first inversion, right? Then sol chord, back to do. Do, this is the day of fa, the day of do, the day of sol. Do, this is the day of fa, the day of re, and the sol and do. The day of re that the sol has do. That's the part you have to practice well, because it's a tricky part. The day of re that the sol has do. You know that, then you can then go to the next step, and the next step will sound like this. So the major part of that vamping or the rhythm you just listen is, let's say our left hand is number 1 and our right hand is number 2. The rhythm is 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2. So we go. By the way, this is the easy vamping. Subsequent episodes we will add all the beats we removed. I removed some beats to make it simple. So you get that from do to fa, back to do, then to sol, back to do, back to fa. So the only part that is difficult there is the re and sol. And the re and sol, it's all sharing 2 chords in the space of 1 chord. So other chords are 1. So altogether it's 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. But for this we go 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. I hope you get it. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So we could have done you understand? We could have stayed in the re for, but instead we have a G passing chord. I hope that's easy to understand. So that's the first episode of Makossa Beats. This is the day of joy, the day of joy, the day of joy. This is the day of joy, the day of joy that the Lord has made. Basically, when you want to sing along, try not to play and sing together so that you can focus on your playing. Right? If you try to play and sing together, it will be difficult. Right? When you become an expert, you can do that, but for now, when you sing, don't play. Record it and play it. When you play, don't sing. Right? And then it's important to note that the chord starts before you sing. So, this is the day of joy. You get that? This is the day of joy. The day of joy. So you don't start at the same time. It's not this is the day. No. You wait for it to start. This is the day of joy. The day of joy. Alright. I wish you the best with your practice. In the next episode, we will add all the missing beats to the vamping, to the rhythm, and it will become actually a little bit more complex. See you in the next episode.